Hello guys, and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we are reviewing this. Now I'm presuming this is the Steel Series Classic Edition, the same as the turquoise deck I did a few reviews ago. I ordered this before I'd done the review, so I didn't actually know what was coming until it came. I'd ordered it because I really liked how vivid and nice this green is, but I don't actually know how much it's going to look like that on the inside. If you watch the blue deck, if you watch the turquoise deck, then you'll see that it looks very fancy. It looks very stand out, but actually it's very, very basic inside. There's nothing at all on the tuck case apart from the information on the bottom. And then the Bocopo name here. Not very centered, that tear strip, is it? Yeah, so I expect it to be really cool. And when you'll see when we open this deck that actually they make the back of some of the advertising cards, they make you think that that's what the back of these will be like. Steel Series playing cards, Bocopo, there's no other information in there. Let's get these out. I don't like that, the fact that the tuck case came away as I pulled the flaps back. So we have the Bocopo logo in red and blue, same ace. We have the same very standard faces, which we had with the blue one. And the handling of this is very nice. It's very weird. You sort of have to be more careful with this than you are with a deck of bicycles. I think it's got a bit more bend in it, and the corners are a bit rougher, the sides. So I wasn't silly enough to think this was the back on the last lot, but I think this shows another deck that's similar to this. This was actually the card I had next. Oh, I didn't show you what was on it. The Instagram thing. This was actually the back that was on the turquoise deck advertising card as well. So when I took that one off and I saw it and I thought, that's the back. That's very nice. And then I realised that that was also an advertising card. And this was the back. So this was the back, but it was in turquoise, obviously. Loads of very, very tiny white diamonds on a very green sort of mesh look back there. Now this review is going to be short and sweet because obviously I showed all this stuff on the blue one, and obviously I wasn't aware of the fact that this was the same deck. So yeah, so I'd obviously bought both. Yeah, these are very standard face, and then that's the Bocopo ace. So yeah, I'm not disappointed now that I know what they are, but again, as you can see, it was very misleading of them to include advertising cards that, well, in this case, that if I'd have opened this before the turquoise, I wouldn't have been too bothered, but this very much looks like the tuck case of the turquoise deck. This one not so much. I don't know, this must be another deck that they do, but so yeah, so this kind of bugged me on the last one, but I kind of expected it now on this one. As you'll see, the green is nowhere near as vivid, and this has that sort of gloss look to it, so it makes it pop that little bit more. It's very cheap anyway, but again, there's many decks out there that you can buy cheaper than this. You know, $4.99. There's a million and one decks you can get, but they're not all fancy. But some will have custom faces as well, something different with the aces maybe. They'll have better tuck case artwork. So this very much for me falls in that budget category, like with bicycle standards or T playing cards. But yeah, they work fine. They perform as can be expected, and you know, that's all you can really ask for. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.